If you've ever dreamed of combining the comfort of a luxury SUV with the freedom of a fully equipped camper, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome might just be the vehicle that brings that dream to life. This is Peugeot's boldest and most refined take on the motorhome segment yet, blending European design elegance with modern technology and genuine adventure-ready capabilities. And compared to its predecessor, this latest model pushes things even further with sharper styling, a smarter interior, and new powertrain options that make long-distance touring more efficient and enjoyable. Today, we're taking a full deep dive into everything that makes the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome stand out: its exterior design, interior features, performance, off-road chops, safety, trims, and of course, whether it's worth your investment. First impressions matter, and the exterior of this Peugeot Motorhome makes one instantly. Right away, you'll notice Peugeot's updated design language with its signature 3-claw LED headlights that give it a bold yet modern face. The grille has been widened and sculpted to create a sense of presence on the road, and depending on the trim, it can be finished in gloss black or brushed aluminum for a premium touch. Along the sides, clean lines and aerodynamic contours help reduce drag, important for efficiency on long journeys. Peugeot has also managed to hide the bulkiness that motorhomes often carry. The roofline flows smoothly without looking boxy, and integrated side windows give it a sleek profile more reminiscent of a large crossover than a typical camper. The rear is equally polished, with LED taillights stretching across the width, and a large vertical tailgate that opens wide for loading bikes, gear, or camping essentials. Wheel options range from 17 to 20 inches, and you can even opt for rugged off-road alloys with chunkier tires if your adventures take you beyond the paved highways. Peugeot also offers two body lengths for buyers who want either a more compact, city-friendly footprint or a larger model with extra living space. Step inside, and the magic of the Peugeot Motorhome really comes alive. If the outside is impressive, the interior feels like a mobile luxury lounge. Peugeot has leaned into its iCockpit design philosophy, but scaled it up to motorhome proportions. That means a compact steering wheel, a raised digital instrument cluster, and a large central touchscreen that handles everything from navigation to climate control to multimedia. But unlike a standard car, here the cabin seamlessly transforms into a living space. The driver and passenger seats swivel around to face the rear, instantly creating a cozy lounge area. Behind them, depending on configuration, you can choose layouts that include a small dinette, a sofa bed, or even a compact kitchenette with an induction cooktop, fridge, and sink. The materials used feel genuinely premium for this class. Peugeot has moved away from the utilitarian plastics of older models and embraced soft-touch surfaces, eco-leather, and textured fabrics inspired by modern home interiors. Ambient LED lighting adds warmth, and large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light during the day while offering breathtaking views when you're parked up by the sea or in the mountains. Technology hasn't been left behind either. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and voice-controlled smart functions for adjusting lighting, temperature, or even checking remaining water and battery levels. Speaking of power, Peugeot includes a solar roof option paired with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack, letting you camp off-grid longer without worrying about plugging in. Sleeping arrangements are flexible, too. In the larger model, you can sleep up to 4 adults comfortably thanks to a pop-up roof bed and a fold-down rear bed, while the compact model caters more to couples with a 2-berth setup. Of course, a motorhome isn't just about looking good or feeling cozy. It needs to perform. The 2026 Peugeot Motorhome comes with multiple powertrain options to suit different lifestyles. At the entry point, there's a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine producing around 170 horsepower, designed for efficiency on long highway cruises. For those who prefer gasoline, Peugeot offers a 2.3-liter turbocharged unit with slightly more power and smoother refinement. But the star of the lineup is the plug-in hybrid variant. It combines a 1.6-liter turbo engine with an electric motor and a large battery, delivering up to 50 miles of pure electric driving, perfect for short hops into town or quiet campground arrivals. On longer journeys, the hybrid system seamlessly blends power for a total output of around 250 horsepower, giving the motorhome solid acceleration even when fully loaded. Peugeot has also confirmed that a fully electric version is in development for later release, targeting zero-emission touring with a range of around 300 miles. Towing capacity sits at around 2.5 tons, which means hauling a trailer, boat, or extra gear won't be an issue. What makes this motorhome even more appealing is its capability off the beaten path. Many campers avoid rough roads, but Peugeot engineered this model with optional all-wheel drive, hill descent control, and adjustable air suspension. Raise the suspension and you gain extra ground clearance, making gravel roads, muddy trails, or snowy conditions far more manageable. For adventurers who chase remote campsites, this is a serious advantage. Peugeot has also reinforced the underbody to withstand harsher terrains, and the off-road trim comes with protective cladding, skid plates, and all-terrain tires. It's not a rock crawler, of course, but it gives you enough confidence to reach places most regular RVs would hesitate to attempt. On the safety front, the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome is equipped with the full suite of driver assist features you'd expect in a modern touring vehicle. Adaptive cruise control makes long-distance driving effortless, lane keeping assist helps keep this big vehicle steady on the highway, and blind spot monitoring is particularly useful when maneuvering in tight spaces. There's also a surround view camera system that gives you a bird's-eye view when parking or navigating narrow campsite. Peugeot even offers an advanced trailer assist feature that automatically manages steering when backing up with a trailer, which can be a lifesaver for new RV owners. For peace of mind, the structure has been reinforced for better crash safety, and multiple airbags extend coverage even in the living quarters. When it comes to trims and pricing, Peugeot has structured the motorhome to appeal to a wide range of buyers. The base, active trim starts at around €55,000 and already includes essentials like the swivel front seats, the digital cockpit, and a two-berth sleeping setup. Step up to the Allure trim, priced closer to €65,000, and you get upgraded interior finishes, the solar roof option, and expanded kitchen facilities. The top-spec GT line trim, starting just under €80,000, goes all out with all-wheel drive, premium upholstery, advanced safety tech, and the four-berth layout with pop-up roof. Add-ons like off-road packages, larger infotainment screens, or additional solar capacity can push the price higher, but even fully loaded, it remains competitive compared to premium German rivals. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Peugeot Motorhome represents a major step forward not just for Peugeot but for the motorhome segment as a whole. It combines sleek European styling with a smart, comfortable, and tech-rich interior that feels more like a modern apartment than a camper van. Its variety of powertrains, including a plug-in hybrid, ensures that buyers can choose efficiency without sacrificing capability. And with genuine off-road features, advanced safety tech, and multiple trims at accessible price points, Peugeot has created a vehicle that appeals to both seasoned travelers and younger adventurers who might be buying their first motorhome. It's stylish enough to turn heads at a campsite, practical enough for long journeys, and adventurous enough to go where others can't. If you're considering a motorhome that blends sophistication with real-world usability, the Peugeot Motorhome deserves a serious look. But what do you think? Does Peugeot's approach to motorhome design impress you, or do you prefer something more traditional? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more detailed automotive reviews, and share this video with fellow enthusiasts and adventurers. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.